Good evening, everyone. So, today's topic is line coding and what are the uses of this line coding. Once we just talked about digital to digital conversion under data communication and network, then this line coding plays one important role because now we are having the data in a form of digits, means in a form of digital signal, just like this. You could see into this image 10110. So, like lots of inputted data we are having, which is in a form of digital form. So now you need to convert it into the form that is again the digital signal. So for that purpose, line coding plays one important role over here. So in this video lecture, you would find various techniques, and this lecture is totally based on like the concept of line coding only. So everyone just have a look. Like under this digital to digital conversion, as in the previous video you have studied just like analog to analog conversion. Then the second one was like digital to analog conversion. Now the third type of conversion is digital to digital conversion. All right. So now under this digital to digital conversion, coding plays one important role because the actual conversion is being taken place with the help of this line coding, right? So this is what this is used for data transmission of the digital signal, just like 110 10 0001. So this is what this is the digital signal. And if you want to transmit in the like transmission line, then first of all you need to convert it into the digital signal form. Then only it could be transmitted over the transmission line. All right. So this is the meaning of this first line. Now, this process of coding is chosen so as to avoid the overlapping and distortion of the signal, such as inter-symbol interference. All right, means ये line coding यहाँ पर use क्यों होता है digital to digital conversion में, so that like जो हमारी वॉइस है वो ओवर वॉइस है या डेटा है, राइट, वो आपस में ओवरलैपिंग ना करें, राइट, और हम उसको अवॉइड कर पाए, interference would not be generated. So that is why like line coding method is used, so that in a simple way we could convert this digital data into the another digital form. So that is why this line coding is very much important in the like topic that is computer network. Now, what could be the example of it? So, the example of this line coding, like one of the best example, because in the earlier time we were having analog to analog transmission. So at that time, like the voice is actually, we would say, transmitted in a form of analog signals form. But now we are having the smart devices, smartphones, smart computers, means digital computer. Because in the earlier time we were having analog computers as well. Then soon and later we were having the digital signals, like digital computers. So now the one of the most common example under line coding is telephone lines, where we just transmit the digital voices. Okay, and where you could say it, you could see in the ISDN lines, in the digital telephone systems, every time you could see the digital, right? Means we are not talking about the earlier telephonic system. All right, we are talking about the digital telephonic system in which we are using the smart devices. Okay, so how line coding is used? Like the digital voice data is first of all encoded using this AMI line coding. So, like once is used means the signal that is one, it is used for positive and negative as well. Sometimes it is used only for positive, right? But sometimes it is used for positive and negative both of the form. All right. So you would see in the like the different types of line coding, like how actually this one is converted into positive and negative. So मैं आपको धीरे धीरे बताऊंगी जब भी हम बात करेंगे different types of line coding की. Okay, and zero is sent as zero voltage. तो कभी ऐसा होगा कि लाइक लाइन कोडिंग में हमारे पास बहुत सारे टाइप्स हैं, जस्ट लाइक यूनिपोलर इज देयर, पोलर इज देयर एंड बाइपोलर इज देयर। तो कई बार ऐसा होगा कि लाइक वन वुड बी यूज्ड ओनली फॉर पॉजिटिव एंड समटाइम वंस वुड बी यूज्ड फॉर पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव, राइट? तो आपको धीरे धीरे पता चलेगा कि कहाँ पर लाइन कोडिंग किस तरह से यूज होगा, राइट? तो लाइक डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वेज यू वुड चेक। ऑलराइट, सो जब हमने EMI सिग्नल की बात करी थी, जस्ट लाइक डिजिटल वॉइस डेटा इज एनकोडेड यूजिंग AMI लाइन कोडिंग सिग्नल। तो ये AMI सिग्नल रिप्रेजेंटेशन क्या है? जस्ट लाइक आपके पास एक बाइनरी डेटा है दैट इज वन, तो वन का मतलब है पॉजिटिव, जीरो का मतलब है लाइक जीरो सिग्नल, दैट मीन्स लाइक द सिग्नल वुड बी ओनली एंड ओनली ऑन द लाइन surface। देन नेक्स्ट वन का मतलब है नेगेटिव, फिर अगेन द नेक्स्ट वन इज देयर एज यू कुड सी। so next one would be represent to positive signal. Then zero means on the line surface. After that one. So now it would be represent like the negative. All right. So just like that, this AMI signal would work. So just like that, this line coding technique is used for digital voice data that is encoded, then only the transmission would be done. And who helps out over here? This AMI line coding helps out over here so that encoding could be done easily and properly. Okay, now like why it is used, means why this line coding is used. So this line coding actually reduces the noise. जब भी हम डिजिटल ट्रांसमिशन की बात करते हैं, तो हम हमेशा से ये चाहते हैं कि लाइक हमारा जो नॉइज है, जो जनरेट हो रहा है, जो एक्स्ट्रा नॉइज बैकग्राउंड में जनरेट हो रहा है, वो रिड्यूस हो जाए, राइट? सो फॉर द बेटर ट्रांसमिशन दिस लाइन कोडिंग टेक्निक इज यूज्ड। देन द सेकेंड पॉइंट दैट नो डीसी कॉम्पोनेंट। यहाँ पर डीसी कॉम्पोनेंट का मतलब क्या है कि आपका जो कॉम्पोनेंट है, डीसी कॉम्पोनेंट है, आप बोल रहे हो नो डीसी कॉम्पोनेंट, इसका मतलब है कि दैट सिग्नल वुड स्टे एट वन कांस्टेंट वोल्टेज लेवल, बार बार फ्लक्चुएशन ना हो, राइट? बिकॉज बार बार अगर फ्लक्चुएशन होगा, means one time you are having positive signal, then negative, if lots of fluctuation would be there, then obviously you would be disturbed, means the transmission would be disturbed. So that is why this line coding helps in no DC component. चलिए, now what is the workflow of this line coding? वर्कफ्लो में आप समझिएगा, सबसे पहले आपके पास है डिजिटल डेटा। लेट अस सपोज कोई भी मैसेज है जो कि डिजिटल की फॉर्म में है। आप अज्यूम कर सकते हो कि आपके पास कोई PDF है, कोई वर्ड फाइल है, ठीक है, जो आप ट्रांसमिट करना चाह रहे हो, इधर विद द हेल्प ऑफ मेल फ्रॉम वन कंप्यूटर सिस्टम टू अनदर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम, ईदर फ्रॉम द स्मार्ट मोबाइल फोन, राइट? ठीक है, तो अब यहाँ पर जैसे ही आपने ट्रांसमिट करने की बात कही, या जैसे ही आपने मैसेज को ट्रांसमिट किया, so at that time line coding would get activate. All right, then this line coding would convert the like digital data into digital signal first, using the AMI as well as you could say the voltage signal level. Okay, after that means once this digital data would be converted into digital signal, जो एक्चुअल में लाइन कोडिंग का काम है, राइट? जब ये कन्वर्जन हो जाएगा, देन ओनली इट वुड टेक प्लेस इन द ट्रांसमिशन मीडियम। उसके बाद आपका जो ये डिजिटल सिग्नल है, ये ट्रांसमिशन मीडियम यानी कि केबल के थ्रू क्या होगा, ट्रांसमिट होगा, वाईफाई के थ्रू ट्रांसमिट होगा, मीन्स बिकॉज वेरियस ट्रांसमिशन मीडियम वी आर हैविंग, आई थिंक यू नो वेरी वेल। Okay, so this is actually the workflow of line coding. Now, like what could be the real life example of it? So one of the best example is optical fiber communication, because nowadays the most of the commonly used communication is optical fiber communication, right? So how line coding is used? Because digital data is actually converted into light on or off, means if the signal is on, that means it would represent to 1. If the signal is off, then it would represent to 0. So this is also a form of digital to digital conversion. All right. Now these are the line coding techniques, right? So these 5 are the different line coding techniques. So everyone, you could note it down in your notebook, because the first type of technique under line coding is unipolar. Then the second type of line coding is polar technique. Then the third one is bipolar, right? Each one of the technique is important in its own. Then the fourth type of technique is Manchester, and the fifth one is differential Manchester. ठीक है? तो soon and later, धीरे धीरे, in the next lecture I'll tell you about unipolar only. Then polar के बारे में discussion करेंगे. After that bipolar के बारे में discussion करेंगे. Then Manchester and differential Manchester. Because अपने आप में ही unipolar के भी different different types you are having, just like NRZ and RZ. पोलर की अगर हम बात करें तो पोलर में भी हमारे पास NRZ है, RZ है. NRZ के अंदर अगेन वी आर हैविंग टू टाइप्स, दैट इज NRZ L, NRZ I. फिर बाइपोलर की बात करें तो बाइपोलर में भी वी आर हैविंग सो मेनी टेक्निक्स, राइट. फिर मैनचेस्टर में भी लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स यू आर हैविंग टू स्टडीड. Okay, so all right, first of all you must know about the line coding, why it is used, what are the examples of it, and the types of it. Then only you could move on to the next topic, that is unipolar technique or unipolar signaling, right? So the next topic would be unipolar signaling, ki how actually the line coding would help in unipolar technique. So hope you have liked this video. So everyone, like if you like this video, then please do comment in the below comment box. And if you wants to ask any question, then still you could write in the below comment box. So thank you everyone.